From the stable of LJE Nigeria, a warm welcome to our viewers out there. This is Know Your Law, when we enlighten you on the uncommon laws in Nigeria. I am Munirat Adama. Today's topic, the Ibom air incident, how one passenger and one airline both got it wrong. Did you know that in aviation law, both passengers and airlines have legal duties, and failing in those duties can turn a routine flight into a legal nightmare? On Sunday, August 10, 2025, air flight from Uyo to Lagos allegedly turned into one of the most disturbing aviation altercations in recent Nigerian history. Viral videos flooded social media, but beyond the shock, this is a story where both passenger and airline allegedly displayed poor judgment. Let's break it down as we usually do on LJE Nigeria. Passengers' alleged failures. That will be part one of this. The passenger, Comfort Emerson, allegedly refused to switch off her mobile phone despite repeated crew instructions. Under Part 17, Regulation 19 of the Nigerian Civil Aviation Regulation, NCAR 2015, passengers must comply with all lawful instructions from crew for safety reasons, including during critical phases of flight. De-escalating, she allegedly launched a physical assault on crew members, tearing wigs, snatching glasses, and even slapping. This could amount to assault under Section 351 of the Nigerian Criminal Code and unruly behavior on board under Section 17, Regulation 19.2 of the NCAR. Her alleged movement towards the mounted fire extinguisher, whether she intended to use it or not, raises a potential security threat, which is treated seriously under Annex 17 of the Chicago Convention on Aviation Security, domesticated in Nigeria by the NCAR Section 2. The airline is not without fault. Reports and video evidence suggest that after other passengers has disembarked, crew members physically blocked her in the aisle. While they may have been trying to control the situation, in crisis management, this is called tactical escalation, and it can make things worse. NCAR Part 70 Regulation 18.3 requires cabin crew to manage unruly passengers using the least disruptive measures possible. In other words, de-escalation first. Blocking a volatile passenger may have been procedurally correct, but tactically unwise. Then there's the dignity issue. Video footage allegedly shows her breast exposed during a forced removal, even if accidental. Article 17 of the Montreal Convention imposes liability on airlines for bodily injury and can extend to assault or indignities suffered during the embarkation or disembarkation. In Nigerian, Section 264 of the Criminal Code also criminalizes indecent assault, and while proving intent here may be tricky, the optics are damaging. Finally, Ibom Air issued a public statement, imposed a lifetime ban, and even supported a no-fly blacklist, all before a court ruling. This raises due process concerns, honestly. Under Section 36 of the 1999 Constitution, which guarantee every citizen fair hearing, and comfort is no different. Lessons for everyone. This case is a legal and PR cautionary tale, yes. For passengers, disobeying safety instruction is not civil disobedience. It is a criminal and regulatory breach. For airlines, safety includes dignity. Crisis management is about calm control and not public shaming. While Comfort Emerson must answer for her own alleged acts of assault and non-compliance, Ibom Air is not without legal exposure. On a domestic route like this, the Montreal Convention may not apply, but under the Nigerian Civil Aviation Act and Section 34 of the Constitution, no passenger should be subjected to degrading treatment. If her breast was indeed exposed during removal, even accidentally, the airline could face liability liability in negligence and breach of duty of care, with a possible obligation to pay compensation and issue a formal apology. In aviation, safety is paramount, but so is dignity, and both must be protected without compromise. This is Know Your Law. And as always, our business is to keep you informed at all times. Bye for now.